Nuttolíur, ilmkjarnaolíur, slökunartónlist og allt fyrir líkam og sál. Ljós og ilmur Bíldshöfða 12, loe.is.
Við minnum á lokaþátt af CSI.
How many holes in the victim?
I count 4.
Hey man, what you doing in my backyard? Bang, 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 bang!
Yes, can I talk to you for a sec?
Yo man, wait up!
We got a very young male DB by the dumpster.
I think our single just turned into a triple.
CSI, lokaþáttur í kvöld klukkan 10:10.
En þú veist, ég bara að búa til þátt fyrir ykkur. Svo ykkur getur liðið vel, skilju. Svo þið sjáið fólk eins og ég taka sér tíma til að sinna ykkur sem heimasittið. Voru ekki að gera neitt skemmtilegt. Getur gert það með að skilju. Ok. Hæ.
Explain to the people what it is you do.
Well, I be swallowing things and bringing them back again.
Now that's huge entertainment in Scotland, isn't it?
But geez, it is.
It's just watching people swallow things and bring it back up.
And I have to do it twice to be sure, to be sure.
How did you get started? I know you've told me this before, but...
Well, I lived in a children's home in Glasgow. Okay. And I used to swallow my pocket money to hide them from the other children. That
from
was
the
my
bullies?
Yes.
Okay.
So I didn't want to put it in my pocket or underneath the carpet or anything, so I swallowed it.
Okay, okay.
I used to go to the classroom and I used to swallow bumblebees, go to the classroom and cough up the bumblebees and watch them fly around.
Good student, were you?
Yes.
Now, have you been examined by a doctor? This is all okay?
Yes, he said physically not a problem. Mentally, maybe there's a problem, but I'm not sure.
I never asked you, have you ever stood behind an X-ray?
No, I haven't, no,
You haven't done that?
I'd spoil it for the Colombians,
Yeah.
you know?
Oh, that's true. Well, speaking of that, have you ever gotten in trouble? Could you be the perfect...
Well, let's put it this way. I've had a few offers.
Yeah,
but
what, really?
I've rejected them.
Okay, all right.
I'm happy with Moby Dick and Free Willy.
All right, well, let's start right here. Now, we have numbered coins. These are real
Well,
coins.
what I've done, Jay, right, I've done this. Look,
Okay.
number 1,
Okay.
number 2, number 3.
Right.
I want to show you can have a wee look at them there while we're doing this for you.
Right.
4 and 5, right?
Go ahead.
Now, I'm going to swallow these. Well, would you take them? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put them in one down. No, just feed them in my mouth, like the slot machine. Number 1. Okay. Now, you don't hear the first one. You will hear the second one click. Number 2.
Now, see, this is not a trick. This is... Now, open your mouth so I can see. Now, look, this is amazing. All right,
Now, what number would you like out?
Kev, what do you want?
Number 3.
Number 3.
It's coming up, laddie. Now, I'm pushing away 4 and 5, and 3's on its way, Jay. And if I show that to you there, you can see there is number 3. Now, we've got 1, 2, 4, and 5. Let's pick 2 together, shall we?
Okay, give me 5 and 1. 5 and 1.
I'm just pushing away
I
number
see,
2.
you got the...
If I show them to you there,
5 and 1?
number 5, number 1. I'm gonna get the rest out, yeah?
Get the rest out, okay.
One more. Can you imagine me going through customs?
Yes,
The last one's got stuck. We're going to get them back, but we're going to use a number 8 billiard ball.
Now, this is a real... That's a real billiard ball, right? It doesn't collapse. I looked at this, I said, there's got to be a trick. This doesn't collapse, there's nothing. Go ahead.
The ball goes down, the money comes up, the ball comes back.
You ever had
Want to try
hemorrhoids? No, thanks.
Oh!
See, the thing is, you keep thinking it's a trick, but there's no trick. All right, now what are you going to do with the fish?
Sushi!
Now, you don't hurt the fish, right?
No, they never die.
No,
I actually used the goldfish on stage for 3.5 years. He got too big and I had to retire him.
How confused do they get?
Well, they've got a 5-second memory span, so they'll go in, have a wee swim, come up and forgotten where they've been.
Wow. Kev, you've done that in clubs, haven't you? All right, here we are. No.
I do it all the time. I get into a pet shop, can I have 2 fish? She takes one out. I said, do you mind if I try it before I buy it? Goodbye. He touched my tongue. Come on, see your
Now,
daddy.
he's not hurting the fish.
There is no fish.
No fish.
Now, what colour do you want me to bring back?
Bring up the gold one, the red one, the reddish
Now,
one.
do I bring him up head or tail?
Head.
Coming up. Okay. You ever tried to catch fish?
No, I have not.
Let my mouth. There you go.
Lisa Kudrow aðalgestur Jay Leno í kvöld.
Unbelievable people with unbelievable skills, doing unbelievable things. These men and women can perform these extraordinary acts because they have dedicated their lives to understanding all of the risks involved. But there is a difference between watching and doing. So remember, never tempt fate and never attempt any of the dangerous activities you have seen on Ripley's.
Ripley's Believe It or Not. Sýningar hefjast föstudagskvöldið 3. júní.
Believe it or not.
Við minnum á lokaþátt af Queer Eye for the Straight Guy.
We got a cute one, Sean Keenan.
Sean Keenan, a.k.a. the Shy Guy.
He's only had one girlfriend in 5 years, and he's looking for a new one.
Let's set him up on a date.
That's a good idea.
No, you know what? Why stop there? Let's set him on a couple dates.
Let's make him go out on speed dating night.
Queer Eye for the Straight Guy. Lokaþáttur, annað kvöld klukkan 10.
I'll find out what happened, even if it takes me every day of my whole life.
Fylgist með Jack og Bobby á nýjum tíma á miðvikudagskvöldum klukkan 8.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
25 tímar dansleikursamkeppni í Borgarleikhúsinu, 50. 9. júní. 9 verk keppa til úrslita. Sérstök áhorfandaverðlaun. Dansleikur í forsal að lokinni keppni. 100 áhorfendur Skjás 1 geta nælt sér í miða á tilboðsverði á þennan einstaka viðburð. Alla nánar upplýsingar á s1.is. Dansleikursamkeppni í Borgarleikhúsinu.
Að baki hverrar framakonu fjöldi fólks sem gæfi hægri höndina fyrir starf hennar.
I mean, we haven't gotten caught yet, but that's because I'm good. I mean, we have established.
Vinnufélögum Klot á fréttastofunni best lýst sem hrokafullum vitleysingum sem nota hvert tækifæri til að stinga hver annan í bakið og vitlausastur þeirra allra yfirmaður hennar. Sprenghlægilegir þættir ógnir fréttastofunnar. Less than perfect. Sýningar hefjast á 5. kemur klukkan 8. Næsta þætti af According to Jim.
You know what I was thinking?
I am not sleeping in the nude. You know, maybe I'd consider it if we didn't have these ratty old sheets.
No, don't start with that,
And
honey.
a rug.
No.
Yeah.
If we get a new rug, then we're gonna have to get a new chair because it doesn't match the rug, and then we're gonna have to paint the walls, and then our kids are gonna hate us.
Why?
Because we're gonna get divorced, honey.
According to Jim á 50. kemur klukkan 9. Í næsta þætti af The Bachelor.
Jesse takes the 3 remaining women on overnight dates.
I love it. I can't believe we're here.
Each of the women are falling hard for him.
I'm definitely falling for you.
And Jesse is falling for them.
I think you are too good to be true.
But one woman scorned is coming back to get him.
I'm gonna do everything in my power to get what I want. Jesse is what I want.
And he is totally taken by surprise.
Oh my God, I might have a stalker.
Will Trish convince Jesse to spend the night with her? Will Mandy J get dumped? And who will be sent home empty-handed?
The Bachelor á 50. kemur klukkan 10. Samkvæmt nýjustu áhorfskönnun Gallup Skjár 1 sá fjölmiðill sem Íslendingar nota þegar þeir vilja slappa af og sú sjónvarpsstöð sem Íslendingum mest að skapi. Slakað á og njóttu. Skjár 1 alltaf ókeypis.
Hello, and how you doing?
Hey, look at my balls.
Hey, little duck, would you like to have some donut? Hello. Tasty little donut. This is where babies are made.
Might make some good sushi for later on.
He's tight.
MTV Cribs. Sýningar hefjast á föstudagskvöldið kemur klukkan 9:30.
Y'all come back now, you hear?
Frábærir þættir frá BBC sem fjalla Alice og Doug sem eru nýskilin en eiga í mesta bastli við að slíta strengi. Með aðalhlutverk fer hinn geðþekka Amanda Holden.
He's happy being single.
He is not. He goes home alone every night to his tiny little flat and watches TV.
Men like that.
They like women better.
Not if the snooker's on.
Mad About Alice. Sýningar hefjast á laugardaginn kemur klukkan 8:30. Brúðkaupsþátturinn Já snýr aftur í hátíðarskapi í sumar og við hefjum leikinn snemma í ár í rómantískri brúðkaupsferð í Karíbahafi. Brúðkaupsþátturinn Já í Karíbahafinu annað kvöld klukkan 8.
Come here, baby.
So now you're doing what you can to keep our brother holding on. The way you move your body, babe, it drives me wild. I love the way you're looking, babe. You're just my style. You're sexy and you don't even know it, baby. You gotta know it, babe. Like what you do, the way you're doing it.
Come here, sexy.
Good evening. I need to talk. I really need to talk to you.
What's up with the music?
Well, filming the sequence tonight, it was freezing, and I was in a bra and underwear, so I was pretty cold, and the fact that I had no shoes on, I would get a little sick sometimes and a sore throat, but I don't know, it helped with the role. It helped being scared and cold, so it was cool that we got to shoot on location instead of like a fake set.
Habil.is, meir en 5.000 eignir yfir 100 fasteignasalar. Eignið birtist fyrst á Habil.is, Habil.is, alvöru fasteignavefur. Tilboð á dekkjum, Bílkó, Smiðjuvegi 34, Rauð gata, Bílkó.is. AEG þvottadagar, þvottavélar, þurrkarar og uppþvottavélar á tilboðsverði. Radionaust Akureyri, Bræðurnir Ormsson Lágmúla, Ormsson Smáralind. Móðir mín, dóttir mín í Hafnarfjarðarleikhúsinu. Spennandi nýtt íslenskt leikrit með tónlist eftir Ragnheiði Gröndal. Miðasala í síma 555 2222. Reyklaus dagur 31. maí. Talaðu við okkur áður en það orðið of seint. Heilbrigðisstarfsmenn gegn tóbaki.
Djúpalögin í beinni útsendingu frá myndveri Skjás 1 á föstudagskvöldum klukkan 10.
Fljótlegt og freistandi fyrir önnum kafið fólk. Lambakjöt. Léttur réttur.
Ís ársins 2005. Vaniluís með karamellubragði og kexkúlum. Kjörís.
Brúðargjafir, útskriftagjafir, brúðargjafalistar. Mírale, Grensásvegi 8.
Nýjar myndir á næstu leigu. Meet the Fockers og þú sem helst að þínir foreldrar var eitthvað skrítnir. Stórstjörnurnar Robert De Niro, Ben Stiller, Dustin Hoffman og Barbra Streisand í sprengklægilegri framhaldsmynd. Lemony Snickets, a series of unfortunate events. Óhamingja, ógleði, óturtarskapur. Sem sagt, loksins eitthvað skemmtilegt. Jim Carrey fer á kostum sem hinn gráði í Ólaf Greifi í frábæri ævintýramynd. Eitthvað fyrir alla á næstu leigu.
Næsta dagskrá er Survivor.